back home now. See the EP. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna be wiring the bilge pump now. Okay. To the jet ski. I got this kit right here from Amazon, 30 bucks. All this stuff right here in total is about $40 from the auto parts store. That's all you're really gonna need: wire strippers, butt connectors, a switch, and then you want a inline fuse holder in between. And then the kit should come with all this. This is obviously the spout and the ring and the hose itself. Let's see what we can do, man. So here it is. Got everything hooked up right here. I did it pretty well, clean. The terminals. All right, hit the switch. Turns on. Yes, sir, we're in there, easy money. All right, boom, fast forward. I let the bilge pump set overnight. As you can see, it doesn't move. I put wire looms all across the wiring. This is the switch right here. Zip tied it all together onto right here. And then I got the bilge pump hose mocked up a little funny, but it's not done yet, that's why. It's gonna go through right there and straight out the back right here. I deleted the handle, put some screws in there. I'm gonna put some JB weld around it so it sets perfect. And then I'm gonna drill through right here. I know most people put it out through the side, but I wanna do it through the back. Make it more sleek. Doesn't get more sleek than that. Got the JB weld all around it. I'm gonna put the thicker section on the top portion. I'm gonna insert it in. Bilge pump in the back. Speaker on top. Yeah, buddy. All right, guys, we got the Accord. Just got it back. Overall, it's smooth. It's got a black bumper in the front. A little rust right there. But the rims are clean. Interior is clean. Everything else is clean. Got my boy Brandon here in the cut. We just came all the way through to grab this trailer. Got a bill of sale here. Thank you, bro. Got my boy Billy Bob here.
I swear, I thought she was my second cousin.
Brandon, look, check it out. Home. So we did a 2-for-1 special today, right?
Yes, sir.
On all the stuff. All right, we need a new trailer. We're gonna paint this bad boy black, put a jack on it, redo the wires, but the flooring's all done, toolbox is all done. All right, guys, we're on the way back home now. See the EP3s right there in the rear view mirror. We're in the middle of who knows where, and I got the trailer in the back. So 2-for-1 special today. Picked up a trailer and the EP3. Yes, sir.
One eternity later.
Yes, Day one. Somebody is coming to come grab the ski. Cleaned it up real quick. It's looking real nice. Cleaned up the trailer too. Wheels looking nice. Hydro turf redone. Bilge pump out the back. Hookups right here. Got a reverse. The skis wrapped, carbon. This blue color and then this pattern. Speaker. reverse mirrors. He pulled up in the F-150, nice and clean. He's checking out the ski right now.
Mission accomplished.